Welcome back to my channel. This is Joita and you are watching the episode 2 of the series Mom Style with Fashion Focallure. Yes, and some of you have requested me to show some light party makeup along with the hairstyle. So today I'm going to do that for you guys. And also I want to tell you guys that in this series dedicated to mothers, I'll be talking about hair care, skin care, as well as fitness and also the body positivity, and of course we'll be doing a lot of makeup. So without wasting much time, let's get started into this video. So guys, I have focused my camera, and as you can see I have already done my base. Today I have used a full coverage foundation because it's a party makeup. So if you're wondering that what products I have used, then these two are the products. This is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Stay Fresh foundation. I am in the shade 300 and I have used this Revlon Colorstay press powder in the shade medium deep. Now I'll be starting my eye makeup. As you can see, I have already applied the foundation onto my lids, but this will not work as a makeup base or the eyeshadow base. So I'll be applying this Maybelline Fit concealer in the shade 25 onto my lids. I'll be blending this with this mini beauty blender. I got this from Instagram. It is a page named Glam. They sell awesome makeup products with affordable price. It's not affordable, rather inexpensive I would say, and the quality of the products are so good guys. So check it out in the description box below. Now I'll set my eyelids with the same compact. Today for the eye makeup, I'll be using the Focallure 12 color eyeshadow palette. The name is Wonder and it says purple and blue luster dimensions glitters. Just look at the shades. Isn't it gorgeous? This is so luminous, this is so party type, this is so glam. I just love this. It got all the shades. You can make the neutral, you can make the full glam, and also some colorful. This palette is a must have. I would say this is love. This is pure love. So I'll be starting with Focallure Fluffy Blending Brush and will be this shade right here. I think you must invest on the Focallure brand because they are so affordable, and as well as the quality of the products are so good, so good. You just barely touch the shadow and it will give the maximum payoff of the color. I just really love this. As you can see guys, for the party look I have wore a very neutral and a floral motif, normal, flat type of kurta, because I don't like to wear overboard outfits. Rather I love to do gorgeous eye looks for any party or something. If you don't want to do, if you want to wear a very gorgeous kind of a outfit, you can definitely wear that out, but this is my type. And now I'll be using this shade right here. You can see guys, there are red and clean floral motifs onto my outfit, so I have decided to do a emerald green smoky eye on my eyes. And for this I'll be using this Maybelline Colossal Kohl pencil in the shade Crushed Emerald, and we'll be using it as a liner. You don't need to be particular because we are going to blend this. Don't go above the crease. Now it's the blending time, and I'll be blending this with the intense blending brush. And now I'll be using this shade to blend the emerald green and the crease shade together. Now I'll be taking this fluffy blending brush and we'll be taking this shade right here to blend all together. Now I'll be taking this glitter and will pat this onto just the center of my eyelids. For concealing, I'll be using the same concealer, which is the Maybelline Fit Me1 in the shade 25, and will be highlighting the usual areas of my face. Taking this new technique because it gives you the more sculpted look if you have a round or oval face, because this portion of the area will get highlighted and this portion of the area will not get highlighted and will make a shadow onto your face. So that's how your face will look more slimmer. See? And we'll be blending this with my Sigma Kabuki 3D brush. I'll set the under eyes and the highlighted areas. If you don't have a loose powder to set it, or if you don't have a compact powder to set it, you can definitely use this Johnson baby powder. And what you need to do is you just take any sponge you have or any puff you have and you take a little amount onto your hands, just like this. Yes. Just dip that with the powder and apply that under your eyes, just like this. Don't leave this for a long time, then maybe it will settle on your face and it will look a little awkward, so try to brush it out quickly. It's a good trick. It will also help you to set your makeup in place. Now I'll be moving on to my eyes again and will be lining my lower waterline with this Glam 21 eye pencil in the shade white. We'll be using the same kohl what we have used it onto our lids, and we'll be lining through our lower lash line. using this shade right here, and will be using this intense brush for smoking my lower waterline. Now the eye makeup is done, and I'll be using the mascara, and today I'll be using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. It is waterproof and it's in the shade black. Again, I'll move on to my cheeks, and we'll be using ORIFLAME Giodrani Gold Bronzing Curls, and we'll be using this Giodrani Gold Bronzer brush. Now I'll be doing my eyebrows, and for that I'll be using L'Oreal Paris Brow Pomade and the shade Ebony. Today's look, I'll not be using any blush, so I'll be moving on to my highlighter, and for the highlighter I'll be using Makeup Revolution London's Shimmer Brick Radiant Highlighter, and we'll be using this Focallure highlighter brush. Guys, my makeup is done, and now I'll be using my lipstick. I'll be using Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Medusa. This is my favorite shade from the Huda Beauty range. The makeup is done, and now I'll be moving on to my hair. For this, I'll be putting off the hairband. I'll be combing my hair. For this, you need a pointed tip comb, and you need to just try to make it straight. I'll be taking a bobby pin and secure this portion just like this. We'll take a small portion like this. We'll divide it into 3 strands, and we'll make a braid. 1, this is 2, and this one is 3. Now we will make it fluffy by pulling some of the hairs from the beard. See, the braid is fluffy, and now we will tuck it just at the back with the help of this bobby pin. Now we'll be opening this portion, and we'll tuck it just like this. At the back, and see, you have a clean hair falling from here. We'll be doing the same in this portion offline, and we'll be right back. So I am done with my hair, and now I'll be putting on a bindi, and this is a small red simple bindi. Now it's the time to wearing some jewelry, and I'll be wearing these two gorgeous emerald green and pearly big jhumkis. Jhumkis, my makeup look is done. I made the eye makeup very simple yet gorgeous, but the jhumka, bindi and the hairstyle all together made the look very glamorous yet very simple and easy to do. I hopefully that you will be liking this look. So this is the final look. So this is the end of today's video, guys. I hope you like this look. You know, guys, when at the starting I started my eye makeup, I was a little bit confused about this, because I was thinking that what I was expecting to come out of this look, maybe it will look a little bit messy at the end, but when I ended up my eye makeup, it just turned out so gorgeous, which I didn't rather expected. Yes, it is so. So if you like this video, don't forget to give your thumbs up, share this with your friends, family, colleagues, relatives, whoever you know, and whoever didn't subscribe to my channel, just do it now. Okay, just do the subscription now. And I think if you are not so much accustomed with this subscribe button, I want to mention it. This subscription is free. Yes, it's free. And hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates from my side. And I really love you all. So until next time, take care and bye bye.